Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I am Bukola, and today I will be doing the multi crochet. Yeah, they call it the multi crochet, the expression multi crochet. This is it. I hope you can see. So this is it. I'll be trying this out. This is going to be my third time doing this, and the first time I had someone do it for me. The second time I did it myself, and it was kind of a disaster. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try it again. I saw this in my sister's store. She sells hair and different things, so I just want to try it out. I'm just gonna try it out and see how it looks on me. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cornrow my hair. Yeah, is to braid my hair. I have to do a cornrow before the crochet. So I think I'm going to do this off camera. Should I do this off camera or should I do it with you guys? I don't know. Let's see how it's gonna go. So if you're interested in this video, kindly sit back and watch. Guys, so you can see I switched location. I came to the bathroom and I changed my clothes. So I cooked after the video and it stained my top. So now I'm doing the cornrow for our crochet, getting our hair ready. So I'm not too good in making my own hair. Like, it's easier for me to make other people's hair. It's not that I'm perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm still learning. I learned how to make hair myself. So the thing is that since I'm doing a crochet, it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't need the braids to be perfect, and that's it, guys. One of the reasons I don't like making hair myself is because my hands my hands are always paining me. Like, it's not easy, but you know, since we are entering a cold season, so you know, I have to try to do more of protective styles to keep my hair, you know, to protect my hair. So that's why, and I think I'll spend less like this to making my own hair myself. The money I'm supposed to give to a hairstylist, I'm gonna use it to buy something for my children or buy something for myself.
Like we feel the same, we love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try.
Okay guys, so I'm done braiding my hair. So what I'm going to do now is to take a needle and a thread and sew the ends of the head of the braids, and sew them. Sheila, close the door please. Thank you. And sew the ends of my hair. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so my thread and needle is ready. So I'm just going to sew here. Like, you don't have to do this when you do yours, but I just prefer it this way. At least it was worth the try. let me show you the back. So as you can see, our cornrows are ready, so it's time to crochet. It's time to start the main business. So I have color 1, and color 27. So I have 3 packs of this. I have 3 packs. So I have color 27 and color 1, and I'll be mixing them together. I don't want long hair, so I want it short. So I'm just going to divide this into, I'm going to divide it into 2. As you can see, you see how long it is. So now I'm going to cut it. So this is it. I'll be doing the same thing with the color 1. So I still have another pack of the color 27. So let's see how it's gonna go. I don't know if I'll be using the whole pack because I don't like when the hair is too full, but let's see how it's gonna go from the back. So I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm going to lose it like this because I want it curly. Can you see? So now I'm going to go with this color. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the back. And can you see the mix of the color?
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know that we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth a try. was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Okay, so I'm done making my hair. I feel kind of strange in this look because I'm not used to making my hair like this. Oh, like, it's not bad. I like the mix of the colors, and I think it's giving my face, you know, another look, and it's beautiful. It's not bad. I like it. So I ended up using 2 packs. I still have the top pack, and I still feel that this hair is even too full. So I had to trim the ends of the hair, but I didn't touch this place because I don't want to make a mess. So this is the look, guys, and I like it. I love it. It's not bad. You know, I'm just going to rock this hairstyle for a few weeks. Can I resist a few weeks? Can I say 2 weeks? Like, I can't resist not seeing my own hair. But this is not bad. This is not bad. Let me just show you. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next upload. All right. Ciao, bye bye.